Are we good? Are we good? Hey, party people. Welcome to the school studio. All right, so this is Studio Spicy school version. We have all of my handy dandy drawings over here. Just some thumbnails of potential paintings. This one over here, you can see that this clearly turned into this big painting. And of course, I have one tucked away over here from my daughter. Whoops. So right now, this one is still a work in progress. I feel like my next piece is always my favorite, so I'm actually really excited to keep working on this one. I love how crazy it is. I love the push and pull of it. It's not hidden right now, but you'll see. Just you gotta let this one bake a little bit more. But honestly, yeah, I love the geometric shapes in this one and just the abstractions. I think that's the word, abstractions. I just love the crazy shit that's going on. Over here, I finished this one. No, I don't think I did this over summer. This is definitely from, I think this is from the fall semester, I believe. This one was way more experimental. And of course, the ones that you're not really fucking with the most, your professors always seem to love, which is still bonkers to me. But yeah, we're here, and I've actually got some good compliments on it, which that's not what it's about, but it's always nice to hear. It's kind of comforting, especially when you use art as a coping skill. So yeah, this one was fun to do because it was so experimental. Oh, by the way, today is open house for all the studios, so that's why maybe you'll see a couple people walking around, and why the studio looks the way that it does. It's because there's an open house today. Oh, actually, this one I did during the summer. This one was a really cool one to do. I love this eye. You can see the little figures popping out here, hanging out up there. This one has the two pupils, so that's dope. I just really love the colors and just kind of like the gestural aspects of this one. And then this is also another favorite of mine. Let's fix her a little bit. Just got the nails done. I love this. I love the contrast of it. I love the way that, the black against the red and the orange. Just how the masks look, and I guess the tribal aspects of it I really love. And honestly, just like the color combos. Again, I love funky, saturated colors. You'll always see blue in my paintings because I love blue, or maybe blue is just how I be feeling. And yeah, I really enjoy the way that this came out. And I guess a similar theme or similar motifs that I've had in my pieces lately have been the mix of these little figures here, the masks, and just like the geometric aspects of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue exploring that, and we'll see where we get to. Hopefully I'll be able to check back in and let you know how this finished piece goes. But getting on this close-up, these pieces, this crossover, we got some collage going on in here, the drawing aspects. Yeah, it's just gonna be dope. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. You just wait and see. This is my school studio, and see you soon. Okay, all right. What did I say the last time? We signed out, right? Anyways, we're signing back in. Everybody already saw this piece. We did the whole process video for this one, and then this is the last one that I have up for the open house. So again, a lot of these little figures here. I love to do the collage pieces as well, that abstract figurative type of deal. And I love adding transparency, having that push and pull. So yeah, this is another piece that I really enjoyed and decided to pick to put up for the open house as well. You've already seen this one, the full process of this. This one had these collage aspects as well. You can't really tell right away because it's drawn over. But yeah, I love, again, the push and pull aspects. You have the blue with the orange peeking out as well. Some of my favorite drawings from this piece are the window. I love how this is rendered out, especially with the sill right here. Of course, my bittersweet love for the Marine Corps. So this is one of my favorite drawings of this piece. And then my sexy silhouetted bunny The Polaroid picture piece came out great. I really love how the pins came out. The push pins, I feel like they came out fire. And of course, like I said, the drawing that you're like, iffy about the most is usually the one that your professors love. And this is one that they love, which is like a broken record. Oh, and then we have my homage to Alice in Wonderland, my little Spicy in Wonderland piece right here. So if you can zoom out, you can get all of it. But yeah, these are my open house pieces. How are you? No, I'll come up and see you. I got you. I got you. All right. I guess we're going to go check out some other artists before we go, and then we'll officially sign out yet again. I guess we could just go this way. Okay, this is so different from what he's been doing. It feels so energetic. I remember he was working on this one in the summer for a little bit. This one too. All right, I want to find him and ask what it's about. All right. Oh, look at this one. I wonder how many times they wrote this. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Where's your studio?
Nice. My studio's right over there, 504.
Okay.
Yes. I gotta step out to grab food, but I'll be right back.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. These students are so talented. It's crazy. Perry! Oh, I love Perry. This piece, when he brought this out, this one, I was there in the summertime when he was working on this one too. Oh my gosh, Perry, yes! Oh, I wish Perry was here. Y'all need to talk to him. He's such a great artist. Everything looks so crazy. Oh, wow. Looks crazy. Honestly. Oh, this artist. Every time I see their work all over, they also were in the summer class with me. The color palettes always go so hard, and just the way that they build the figures is just fucking chef's kiss every single time. Like the work is always so, I don't want to say energetic because maybe that's not the right word, but there is always such an energy to it. And again, like the color palette just fucking hits. Yeah, I remember they had some of this stuff up in for the summer intensive too. Yeah, I mean, like I gotta start planning my color palettes like this. All right, we're going to get, what are we going to get? Some za. Hi, how are you? Let's go get some baza. You see the logo, man? Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Yeah, these kids are so talented. I gotta up my game. All right, let's get out of here. Oh, look at this.
I told you. Oh, and they have more stuff out here. Yeah, so Anthony.
Now we're gonna go hit the elevator button and actually sign up. This is Spicy. This was school, and I'll see you soon.